Well, for any lawyer to succeed, you should be ready to read day in and day out, and read as much as you can. Have your, as I said, Transfer of Property Act is very basic. You will be using it all the time. You'll be, brushing up your concepts all the time. Then your Stamp Act. See, Stamp Act is a fiscal act. You cannot structure your transaction correctly unless you understand the Stamp Act inside out. Most states have their own individual Stamp Act, but all the Stamp Acts of every state are more or less based on the Indian Stamp Act. So I would advise everybody to, and also have a little bit of multidisciplinary approach. And when you're in college, don't think that I'm going to be a real estate lawyer, so I don't care what the income tax laws are like. Because you might have to structure your transaction bearing in mind the income tax laws. So I would advise everybody to be thorough with the Stamp Act, the Registration Act, various laws regarding agricultural lands. Each state has its own set of special laws, statutes, regulations governing real estate. Be thorough with those laws. Of course, you have the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act. You have the Rent Act. Each state has its own Rent Act. You need to be thorough with the Rent Act. However, as I said, have a multidisciplinary approach.